Hello and welcome to this short presentation that we called Power Platform Integrations version 2. So what is version 1? Well, maybe you have seen our previous video where we integrated Minecraft and the Power Platform in an airport where we put a help desk, a finance control tower, Power Pages and something else, customer service agent, all with the help of web displays in a two-dimensional world. And today we want to move on and extend it to a three-dimensional world using VR glasses. There's a short video here that explains you the setup. Here is the link for that. It basically works, but the only thing that did not work is the mods. Because if you want to integrate web displays, then this did not work out for us. So what we did is we take the mods from our first video and copied it into the world, into the Vivecraft world that was created and that we used to play. I will skip this video, you can watch it yourself. And here are the ingredients that we need. So you need, of course, a kind of virtual reality glasses. You need a gaming computer with a good graphics card and a good RAM. Then, of course, you need the Power Platform and a gaming pass to integrate it with Minecraft. Here's our world. And what we did is we have a delivery driver Power App, a Canvas app. Then we have for the inventory warehouse workers, Dynamics 365 integration, and then a package tracker and Copilot Studio agent integration. And of course, this is something we do not only want to talk about on slides and show you in theory, but we want to show you in my demo environment. So let's jump to that.
Hello and welcome to this short demonstration where we want to show you the integration of Copilot Studio and other parts of the Power Platform and Dynamics 365 in a three-dimensional immersive world. So you see David here, sitting here with his VR glasses and his controllers, with a couple of cameras in front to make sure the recording is good. And now maybe let's directly walk in front to our warehouse where you can see the first dashboard. And this dashboard is basically just there to illustrate some stock information because maybe our employees need this information to see what is the share price of our company. But now let's go inside. Inside of our warehouse, you can see the different racks, but we want to directly go to the office of the warehouse manager. And in this little office, we have a little Power Page application integrated. So you can see that. Maybe David walk in front and open the drop down just to show you. So here opens the drop down. It gives you different possibilities. And here we have only two pages, one home page and one with the packages. So maybe let's click on the packages. So you can see David moving around. And then the site opens. And when it's opening, you can see there is some kind of AI integration that will show you the deliveries and the packages and their status. And if you scroll down a bit, and come a bit closer, then the people can see the different status, the customer name, the delivery, and so on and so forth. And in the lower right hand corner, you can see the truck icon. Can you click on that? And now what you see is basically Copilot Studio that is integrated here, and come a bit closer so that we can read that if it's possible. And here you can enter questions, whatever you have, and based on the knowledge of the Copilot Studio agent, you can get your questions answered. But now let's go back into the warehouse and play the role of a warehouse worker. So David walks back here. And now we have another dashboard that illustrates Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. And David, you have to come a bit closer here so that we can see that. So you can here see the inventory quantities. We can filter for that and maybe just try some kind of filtering for certain item. And what you see now is basically a virtual dashboard that David uses. Then he applies it, and then the record should be filtered here on the screen, so that the people know what's going on and where the items are. Okay, let's move on then. Now, once we know where the items are, we can deliver them and put them on the conveyor belt. So the conveyor belt is to your left, but we leave the door and go to the loading area. And in the loading area, the trucks can come there, take the packages, and then fill their trucks. And on the other hand side, we have another small house where we put another Canvas app inside. So if you come here, then you can see that we have a couple of icons that you press. If you come a bit closer, then we can read better, David. So we have here packages, then we have on the right hand side delivery drivers, and maybe just click on the first one, go back to packages, and here you can see that we can change and alter that. So if you click the icon, so you press the pencil, then these screens are populated, and then you can select from the drop down just with your cursor. And yeah, so you just need to press your icons, make a selection, and then confirm the changes that have been made. And well, that's it, because this app can be put on any mobile device that the drivers have with them. They can directly update things, and you will directly see it in your Dynamics 365 or Power Platform application, because it's directly synced with Dataverse. So David, let's maybe walk back a bit, go back to our warehouse and show a bit this device that you build. I think it's a kind of forklift or another device. And then we can end the video there. So again, here are our racks. If you walk a bit further, then you can really see and feel this three-dimensional experience. Okay, so thanks a lot, David, for your help and support. And now let's go back to our PowerPoint.
Okay, so after this demo, I have some questions for you. And the question is related to how will work look like in the future? Will it be that we all wear virtual reality glasses and play or work with the Power Platform in a three-dimensional world? Or will we have our robot standing next to us? Or will it be something different where we have kind of integrations into illustrations that you see here from a Star Wars movie? Or maybe there will be something else. Would be interested in your perspective. For today, I would like to thank you very much for watching and listening, and stay tuned because there will be more to come.